We're back. It's after breakfast, and here we are. We came outside because Rocco is getting ready for the what?
The Water Olympics.
The Water Olympics. And we got a nice breeze here. We could see the trees blowing, which is nice. And there's the pool. And oh, whoa! There's that cool stingray that I got at Rocco's Junk City.
Come on down to Rocco's Junk City. Open every Saturday from 10 to 2. Whoa.
Is it cold?
A little.
It's a little cold. Holy moly! Rocco, it's freezing.
I told you it.
You're right. You better not sit down. It's too cold just yet.
Okay, where's the first challenge?
The first challenge is see if you can balance that bucket of water on top of a crocodile. Can he do it? Got it by its handle. Now see, you pick it up high. And you got to put it right in the center. Let's see if he did it.
I did it.
Let go of the handle. Can you let go? He did it! Now, can he move the handle down?
Move the handle down.
And place the big bomb that's behind him in the bucket without waking up the crocodile? Oh, I don't know. Don't do it, Rocco. Take a chance. He did it! He's amazing. Now you have to take the noodle and try to whack the bomb off of the crocodile without waking the crocodile. Whoa, he did it! He's waking up though. He's starting to move around.
But I did it.
You did it!
Okay.
He's doing it, everyone! He's battling a crocodile. Punch him in the nose! That's how they tell you to get him. Punch him in the nose! Oh, if we've seen a real crocodile, what do?
What?
There's 3 letters. R-U-N.
One.
Run! As fast as you can.
A wheel.
Yeah, we don't want to ever get any close to crocodiles or alligators out here. Nanny does not like them, not one bit.
See, he's gonna make you fall off.
He's gonna make you fall off.
What's his special ability to attack?
Well, I believe he rolls too. He rolls and rolls until you fall off.
And what is like super powerful abilities? His 3 super powerful ones.
I think he does something big with his tail. He whips it and knocks you down, and then his big teeth crunches you and he swallows you. But just like the alligator, I believe they don't eat that much. You know why?
Why?
Because they really don't do much. They just hang around the swamp. So they don't exert a lot of energy. So they really don't need a lot of food. But when they see something they want, snap, and they chomp on it.
It's super powerful ability. It like knocks you down. Like and just and then it's not so powerful that it like crashes you down.
He's battling them. Maybe tickle his stomach and put him to sleep.
And then the last thing it does, it takes its arm and like smacks it in your tail.
Really? Oh, I wouldn't want to encounter one of them. Ah! He's attacking me!
That's what it's supposed to do.
What's going on?
That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to shoot out water out of its nose.
I didn't know that. Do it again.
This is what it's supposed to do. It's bigger.
Oh, that's so cool. So if you want to get some new toys and some fun toys, check out Rocco's Junk City.
Come on down to Rocco's Junk City. Open every Saturday from 10 to 2.
Sure is a nice day. It's a little cloudy, which is perfect because you don't want full sun. What are you doing? Oh no! He's going crazy. He's mad. He's probably hungry. Think he's gonna eat your stingray. He's turning into his death roll. Yummy, yummy. Feed me, feed me. Yum, 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 yum. Here you go. He doesn't want to eat him. That's his friend. Check out this guy. Swims and he's... See the way his body is? That means he can go fast and he got his barb. If anything should scare him. And it puts poison in him. I think it puts poison. I'm not sure though. We have to do some research, but if you could see the tail, it has this right here. And when that sticks in you, you see those points, Rock?
What?
When they stick in you, you see on the barb? When that sticks in you,
What?
then you got problems.
But guess what?
What?
I wish the water came out of here.
Out of where?
Out of here.
That's so gross.
So funny, Nanny.
That's pretty funny.
That'd be funny.
Yeah, it would. Where do you want the water to come out of?
Right here.
Ew, that's gross. And Dee Dee likes that.